Hey YouTubers, it's DirtBike Dave here. Today I'm gonna do a little video showing you what I ride when I'm out riding. All the videos I've done as of recent have been on my 2015 Yamaha WR250R. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you around it, just kind of show it to you. It's nothing special, and we'll do a little mini review on it. I've had it since December of 2014. So I've had it for a year and what is that, 4 months, 5 months, something like that. And so I'll do a little review on it too, on what I've learned about it, what I think about it, whether or not I like or regret my decision to go with it. And we'll go from there. So here we go. Okay, so like I said, here is the bike. It's a 2015 Yamaha WR250R. Like I said, I've had it for a year and 5 months. It's still pretty much completely stock. I've done a few little mods to it. Started basically trying to lighten it up is where I'm going. The biggest thing I found helps with the bike is to have it as light as possible. So I've gotten rid of just all the little trinkets I could. Like I got rid of the little reflectors that were on the fork. I've gotten rid of the rear foot pegs, because I don't really plan on ever carrying anybody on the bike, really. Other than that, it's like I said, it's all stock, and as of right now it's got 2,350 miles on it. So I try and ride as much as I possibly can, and in the dirt as much as I possibly can. But like I said, I've started this weight reduction trip, so the next thing I'm going to do is get rid of like the charcoal canister, the valves that are in the airbox, and the exhaust, put an exhaust on it, maybe some airbox mods, and then that'll be pretty much it. I'll go with a programmer, obviously, to get all that stuff dialed in, and then that'll be it. You know, tires, get some real off-road tires on it here. Now that the rear is worn out, I need to order one, which I'll probably be doing this week. So yeah, I mean, that's the bike. My thoughts after a year and almost a half of owning it and 2,000 miles is I love this bike. I've ridden a friend's DRZ 400 quite a little bit. I wouldn't say quite a bit, but I've rode it fairly, extensively enough to get a feel for it. I've also rode a couple of buddies Honda CRF 250Ls. And I love this bike. I think that it is good and fast and performs really well, especially in comparison to the other two. I do think that it's probably, as all the reviews, the real professional reviews state, I think it's probably a little harder to ride than either one of those bikes. Actually, it's a little less forgiving as far as power band, as far as the height of it, and just the capabilities of it. I mean, just to be honest with you, the fact of the matter is that a slower bike is an easier bike to ride, and I'm not just talking about horsepower. I know a lot of the DRZ fans are probably gonna complain and cry and say that, oh well, the DRZ makes way more power, so it's way faster. I'm talking about all around performance. I'm talking about the fact that it's harder to go 40 through a set of whoops than it is to go 30 through a set of whoops, regardless of whether regardless of anything. So that's pretty much it. That's my bike. So guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.